Hey guys, I'm Mika, and today is day 5 of our 7-day Western Caribbean cruise on the Disney Fantasy. We are at Falmouth, Jamaica. We will not be leaving the ship. We're gonna stay on board and do all the fun things. Jace took out his shoes, so we had to run back in the room to go get his shoes. So yeah, we're not really doing much today. We're just gonna go get breakfast at Cabanas. We're gonna, good morning. Hi, good morning. Thank you. We're gonna go get breakfast at Cabanas, and then we're gonna head to the pool area. Let the kids play in the pool, ride the slides, and then me and Billy have a massage at 1 o'clock for 75 minutes. So come join us. Join us. So one of the lifeguards just gave Nala a duck, a ladybug duck.
You got a duck feed?
Yeah, she's loving it.
Mama.
That was so sweet. Are you showing it off? Yeah. Let's go get some lunch. We're gonna show you guys. Hi. We're gonna show you guys what they have. Hello. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have to come over here to wash your hands. So that's what I'm gonna do real quick. So they have a pizza station over here where they make fresh pizza. They have mac and cheese, corn dogs, corn, french fries. Oh, excuse me. They have pasta, sausages, steaks, some salmon, fresh breads, some veggies, chicken sandwiches over here. Fresh cheeses, and then they have fresh salads over here. Different flavors, and then they have the seafood. So here is the dessert section. They got some really good dessert. Ooh, and carrot cake. Billy loves the chocolate chip cookies. And they have a crepe station where you can make your own crepes, and here's all the toppings. And then veggies, chicken, and then carving station of beef brisket, and a bunch of fresh fruit. So we are dropping baby Nala off at the Kids Club Nursery. She's better with the drop off, so she's pretty happy. Pretty happy. Yeah, are you excited? She'll probably fuss a little bit when we hand her off, but I think she'll be okay. It's time for a nap, so she's sleepy. Hello. So, so we're on our way to the spa. I don't know the name of the spa. Senza Spa. I think that's the name of it. And we are going to get our 75-minute couple massage.
Oh, did you tell them about the 20%?
No, I did not. You can do that. Here you go.
So real quick, don't book on the app. Don't book.
Well, no, they can book the one on the app.
The one on the app, book it before you get on board, so they don't sell out. When you're on board, after your first massage, they'll typically offer you a 20% discount. Hang on, real quick. Oh, and these are really cool things here. This is how you communicate with your bunkmates.
So yeah, last night after pirate night, I wrote a message. I put hi, and then I put from the Ward family, and then they put hi back, and then they put where are you from, pointing to us, and then I would put Chesapeake, VA.
Okay.
So we're gonna check in to see if they respond back later.
Yeah, we'll see. And so real quick, once after your first massage, they'll offer you a 20% discount for other future massages on the same cruise. So take advantage of it. That's what we did. All right, we'll check in later. Bye.
The massage was amazing. Oh my gosh. That lady put me to sleep. I was in there snoring so hard. I was
raining
out.
in Jamaica.
Yeah, it's raining. It was pouring. I'm walking really slow, guys, because the deck is slippery, especially with your flip-flops.
But they honored the 20% discount, which is a perk. And to me, I know it's pricey, but it's extremely worth it. They push you into deep relaxation mode, which is sensational.
Oh my gosh, guys. Look at how gorgeous this view is. It's so amazing. So the spa was $195 per person. I know it was a little bit pricey, but it was so worth it. Oh my gosh. So worth it. Now we're on our way to get some ice cream and coffee. Ice cream. And we're about to get some coffee. Ice cream and coffee. We decided to dress up tonight. We're gonna take just a couple of photos before dinner, so that way we can have a lot of photos to choose from when making our photo book, which is an absolute must, by the way. Like, I like to do the photo book versus the photo package. We're at Royal Court, and we have a new menu for the second dining at Royal Court. So guys. I think I'm gonna go with the marinated tiger shrimp and the oven baked lobster tail, and then I'm gonna try that Thai red pumpkin and coconut curry, and I'll let you know what it looks like when they bring it out. I got the braised oxtail soup. So sorry guys, I forgot to show my lobster, but there's half of it. So it's lobster, mashed potatoes, asparagus, and then I'm gonna just try the curry. It's a Thai coconut curry with bok choy and rice. And Billy had the steak with baked potato and vegetables. And Jace got a second order of mac and cheese. And they brought out Nathaniel, because Nathaniel loves pepperoni pizza, so they brought him a cheese pizza, which is on the menu. And then they brought him a pepperoni pizza, because he loves pepperoni pizza. Somebody ate real good tonight.
What is more? Check, okay? Watch, boys. I'm still here, okay? One minute over. Open big, so big your eyes, because this is happening so very quick. Check. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Abracadabra. Now let's see. Watch. Daddy, check in the under the plate. Let's see.
Check under the plate. Oh, wow. There it is. Under the plate. Wow.
Yeah.
Run back to eating.
Give him high
five.
You gotta eat your dessert first, sir. No.
Oh, yeah. You and your brother.
Bam, bole. Bole. All right. On a count of 3, yeah. Look. Both are black, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Bam bam bole. What color is that?
Red and blue.
Wow, it changed colors.
Let's try one more
Wait,
time.
Jace.
Let's try one more time. Okay?
Wait,
Magician
it's
can do it.
now you're only the
Only magician
magician.
can do it. Okay? Look at the color. Black. Okay?
Black and white.
Black and white. Okay. On a count of 3. What is the magic word? Bam bam bole. What color is that? Black is gone.
Wow. Say yeah.
Why do we?
No, you cannot do it.
Yeah, only magician can do that. You know that?
We're at Palo again for dinner this time, and it is so gorgeous. I'm gonna show you guys the menu in just a second.
Yep, looking forward to the meal again. All right, everybody. We're in a food coma after Palo. Fantastic service. Get the steak. Get the steak.
Melts in your mouth.
Fantastic steak.
Yes.
Not better than mine, but well, according to the wife, it was. But
No, it was.
great experience, great service, great view, hospitality. Everything was great. Highly recommend it. Do it. It was worth the money. It was $45 per person on
If you did the fixed menu.
the fixed menu, which
Wait.
was once again
Is it this way?
fixed. Yep.
Okay.
Which was worth it, and so we tipped well, but it was worth the money. So go for it.
Yep, it is really good. You will enjoy it, that's for sure. Now we're about to go pick up our kids from the kids club and then go to bed, guys. So I guess this could be a wrap-up video too. So we ate Palo dinner. We had dinner at Royal Court as well. Oh, and this is Pepe's door, by the way. So it's like a little miniature door. Like the Muppets baby. Okay, but anyway, so we ate Royal Court as well. We were like extra greedy. We got in the pool earlier today, let the kids play on the slides and swim. And we were in Jamaica. We didn't get off the ship, we stayed on the boat. We stayed on the ship, so. That is all. That is all. We are about to go to bed as soon as we pick up our kids. So we will see you guys in the next video for day 6, which is a day at sea. Bye. Looks like a goat. Looks like a goat. And we still have our monkey from Pirate Night hanging out there.